Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Jira account for absolutely $0. Ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you want to do is jump into your browser of choice, dial in Jira, and let's go and look for the correct link. Over here, it is www.atlassian.com software Jira. This is the one that we are looking for. So let's go ahead and click on this. And if you don't have an account, all you need to do is go ahead and click on Get It Free. Or quite simply, you can go and click on the Google account over here. Whichever one it is, it'll take you to the same page. Now, if you do not have an account already, which is the reason you're actually here, you can go ahead and enter your email address over here. Or you can continue with your Google account, your Microsoft account, your Apple account, or your Slack account. Okay? Let's go and click on Google. I like to sign in with my Google account. I'm going to go ahead and choose the appropriate Google account I'd like to sign up with. Go ahead and click on continue. This just allows Atlassian to collect all the information from your Google account. Here you will see you'll get a site name. You can change this if you would like to, but ultimately it'll have the extension .atlassian.net. Click on continue over here. Give it a second just to propagate. And let's just close this page. Within the next few seconds, it'll say getting things ready, getting things started over here. And what kind of work do you do? Here, you're going to just choose the type of work that you do. So let's just say like design. And once it has asked you what type of work you do, it'll give you some layouts specific to the type of work that you do. So, web design process, Kanban view, or a Scrum view. Let's say continue. And here we go. You can now name your first project. So you can name it whatever it is that you'd like and click on get started. Here, the types of work you do, what your needs are. So these will be your lists that are in your project layout. So tasks, assets, requests, research items. I mean, you can change all of these, but this is just a nice way of adding in something to start your account with. Go and click on next. Here, you can see that there are these are ways to track your work. So you can actually just add in, change, or you can do this later on. But ultimately, you can say finish, and you've created now a Jira account absolutely for free, and you can continue to use it, obviously with limited features, absolutely free. This is what your initial dashboard will look like. We've done a ton of videos on Jira and how to get started, how to create filters, how to create dashboards, how to create automations. So go ahead and check out our channel. Just go ahead and search Jira within our channel, and you can see how to actually get your Jira set up and working for you.